This is the Dune cycle. As you can see, someone has destroyed this thing. Look at the wheel, how they got it on there. This is just going to be a fix it, sell it project, pretty much. I'm going to show you guys how to fix butchered things like this. And I'm going to show you how much it costs to fix stuff like this. And I'm going to sell it and hopefully make some money off of this. I think the hardest part is just fixing everything that's been butchered together. I mean, I don't know if you can see these welds that good, but it looks like it was welded with a stick welder by a blind man. You can see how that guy bolted this axle on there, and as you can see, this ain't safe at all, and it looks terrible. Okay, I guess I'll get the motor off first and get it out of the way. It looks like I just need a half-inch wrench pretty much just to get it off. He's got some, feels like carriage bolts. Let me get these back ones out. It's only 4 bolts hold these type of small engines on stuff like this. Just 4 little bolts. Okay, I'll go ahead and remove this throttle cable from the chassis. Okay, it looks like I can lift this engine off this chassis now. At least I think. Chained. Okay, there's the little 3-horse Briggs. This little bitty. This thing is small. Okay, JB welded that gas tank on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, this is what it looks like without the engine. Still looks pretty terrible. But now that I got the engine off, I can remove this axle and then start on the front end. I'll probably remove this 24-inch wheel and install a 20 or maybe even a 16-inch wheel. But these forks is off of a Stingray, a Schwinn. Well, as you can see there on the tire. Bam! Okay, now I can remove this axle, get this thing out of the way. I'm just using just basic tools. Okay, let's see if I can get this axle off of this. Oh yeah, that was easier than I thought. Okay, now I can remove this front end. what I'm thinking, I can just cut this off, because this is adjustable. I can move it all the way up here if I want to. But I can cut this off and put me a washer on the bottom and top bearing, and that would be a really good start at making this work. Okay, let's take these forks apart. Okay. And there's the top. I'll just shove us. Keep that open. Yeah, okay. Now, just for now, I'm thinking that I'll just flip this thing upside down just to put it on there and see what it looks like, and if I like it, then yes, I'll definitely be cutting all of this off. Alright, I think that'll be fine. Okay. Okay, well, it's very obvious that I'm going to need a longer bolt. But maybe that'll just hold it up until I get everything mopped up. Okay, I got the front end on there. As you can see, she is stretched out, straight up 70s chopper style. And you know what? I might keep a 24-inch wheel on the front. I'm not going to keep these tires. I'm going to put a turf style tire on it. But yeah, it's going to be pretty low to the ground, stretched out. I'm liking it. Well, there it is. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for further progress on this. because it's going to turn out pretty sweet. Thanks, guys.